Hey everybody, it's Marty from Aspect LED. Today we're going to create a rainbow chaser effect with ESA2. If you haven't already, please check out our videos on how to set up DMX and how to use a standalone player. If you have, let's jump right into it. All right, we're going to be using 5 DMX wall washers, and they are RGB wall washers. We're going to set them up in ESA2 here by clicking on generic and scrolling down to RGB and clicking the patch button. Now these are addressed sequentially, starting at 1 for the first wall washer, then 4, 7, 10, and 13. Now we have all 5 wall washers set up. We're going to go to the editor page. We're going to call this scene rainbow right here, enter, and we're going to set up our fade time on these at 16 and our hold time down to, let's set it down at 8. Just doing that to set it all up. So once we do that, let's start. We're going to start with the left side of the rainbow. We're going to do that as purple. Then we're going to do a blue right here, but I'm not going to have a full intensity blue. I'm going to back it off just a little bit. Then we're going to have a green. Actually, we're going to have a cyan. Let's do a cyan right here. Then we'll do a green. And then we will do a yellow. So there's actually, there's more colors in the rainbow than we have room for here. We only have 5 wall washers. So we're going to go ahead and click here, and we're going to slide everything down. So let's get rid of this magenta, or this purple, and let's move the blue down here. And we're going to move a cyan into this position. And we are going to put our green right here and a yellow right here. And let's make this one orange. Well, let's see, we got rid of the purple. I still want to put a red over here. So we're going to go ahead and add that in. We're just going to click add a step. Let's move cyan over to this position. Green to here, yellow right here, orange here, and red. There, we've got all the way to red, and we're at 3 steps. Now we're going to add another step. We're just going to start back with purple behind this. So let's move our green down here. We're going to put our yellow right here next to it. We're going to put our orange here. Let's put our red here, and let's bring that purple right back. Boom. Working on down the line here, we're going to put yellow at this end. We're going to put orange right here. We're going to put red in this position. We're going to put purple here, and we're going to come back to blue. But remember, we didn't have the full intensity of the blue. So that's something that's handy with ESA2 is you can actually jump back to see what you set the previous channel to. And let's see, we added about 188. So now that we see that, we'll jump back to our current step. We'll set this down to 188. Close enough. All right, let's make another step here. We're gonna get rid of that yellow, turn that orange, turn that red, turn that purple, make this blue. And before the blue, we had kind of a cyan color. And let's see what that was, I don't remember. Let's see, we did 194 and 187. So we're gonna go 194, 188, close enough. We're going to add another step here. We're going to say bye to the orange. We're going to bring that red to the end, put our blue right here, put our cyan right here, and then we're back to green at the end here. Let's check what our green was before. It was 190. Let's see, we're at 200. Yeah, that's fine. Let's add another step here. Now, if you notice, everything's starting to look very familiar, this layout. We've got red at the end here. Well, guess what? If we go here, that purple is going to move over to this position, which was right where we were at the beginning. So we actually have all the steps that we need. Now let's just play it back. And there we go. We have a nice rainbow color sequence. For more helpful videos on DMX, please check out the playlist here. And as always, remember to like and subscribe.